Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Easter deco mesh wreath from the Dollar Tree. So I'm really excited to do this, so let me show you what you'll need to make the project. You're going to need one of these wreath forms that are metal, and it's 14 inches. I think that's the only size Dollar Tree sells. And then you're going to need some of these chenille stems, or tinsel stems as they call it, in the various colors. And then I just picked some of these eggs up, one pack of these with the little sparkly, I love them. And then this ribbon, I got it in 3 different colors. This all comes from the haul that I did quite a while back. And then some of this really cute deco mesh that they had. It's so vibrant and I love it. I have 8 of these. I don't know if I'll need all 8. Then you're going to need a glue gun, a rotary cutter, and a mat. And that is it. So let me turn this down and you can see what we're going to be doing. You'll have to excuse my lighting today. It is getting ready to storm, so it is so nasty. Okay, here I just put them, as you can see, all the way around. And I just alternated the colors so that when you can see a little bit of it, it'll be bright and cheerful. And like I said, I steered clear of this gold. It wouldn't hurt if you would add it, but I didn't want to. And I just put 1 on the inside and 2 on the outside. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is go ahead and cut my deco mesh. And so I'm going, since that's 14 inches, I think I'm just going to do it like I did my fall one. So what I think I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut this deco mesh to be 10 inches long. So it's not going to be really long. Okay, and I'm just going to set that there to kind of hold it. And you just cut it, and that's all you do. And then I'm just going to put it over here. So after I get all my deco mesh cut, I'll be right back. Okay, I've cut 56 of these, and I think this might be enough. I've used almost 3 rolls of this deco mesh. So let's, like I said, we're going to do a ruffled wreath, and I've cut them each 10 inches long. So what you do is, how this normally wants to curl up like this, you put it down, you put these raw edges on the outside, and you just walk your fingers up and kind of make a bow. Then you get another one, and I'm going to try to put 3 on each one, because I think it'll be prettier. And then you're just going to cross it like this, like I've done many times. And then I'm going to do one more. This is how I did my fall wreath, and it was really nice and full, and you couldn't really see through it too much. Okay, and then you just then you cross that over there. Then you just open up one of these little chenille ties, and then all you have to do is put this right on the inside. And just give it a couple twists. And that's how you do it. I'll do another one. But I know that you've got the feel for it. It's really easy. You just walk your fingers up, kind of gathering it, and make a little bow. It's kind of hard to see with this mesh. It's so light. And then you just walk another one up. I usually have to do this one-handed. Then you cross these 2, make like a little cross. And then you're going to get your other one. And just walk it up. And then we're going to cross that one over top of that. And you just grab them. You open up your tie. And you just put that in the middle. And you bring it in here, and then you give it some twists to secure that in there. Okay, so when I get this all the way done on the outside, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I've gone all the way around the outside, and now I'm getting ready to go back into the inside. I did add 2 more chenille ties just on one end because I thought it was looking a little not full enough like I liked it. So I'm going to hop back. So when you go to the inside, it's real simple. You do the same thing. You just gather your mesh like I've been doing. Walk your fingers up, cross it, and then cross that over that one. Open up your inside, little chenille tie, just like we did all the way around. And then just twist it. Okay? And then I'll be back once I get it all the way, all the mesh on. Okay, and I also added 1 more chenille tie to the inside, so you'll need a total of 60 of these cut right here of the Deco mesh. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to cut our ribbon. I don't know how many I'm going to do, but I'm going to cut probably, I'm going to cross them, so I'm going to do each one of them 13 inches long, cut them, and then I'll see if I want to cut them down some. I may actually make them 12 inches long. And then as soon as I get several of those cut of each of the colors ribbon, I'm going to cut them 12 inches. I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut all my ribbon and I chevroned both ends of my ribbon. And I've decided I want to just gather it like I did with my fall one. I'm going to put the Easter egg one on the bottom. Then I'm going to put this really pretty sparkly one on top of that. And then this little plaid one. I'm just gathering it and sticking them right on top of each other for now. And then I'm just going to open a chenille tie and just put these right down in here and give it a twist. So I'm going to put several of these on just like this in whatever layer that you want. This is how I just really want to do mine. And you can just put them together like that. You really don't even have to be real particular right now, and just snug them down in your twist. And you can put as many of these on as you want. Just kind of make sure you do get it in the center of the bows. Okay, now what you're going to do next is you're going to go in and just start fluffing these out. Just like that. And then you can see if you want to add more, or if you like it like it is, then naturally you wouldn't. But you just fluff them out till you're happy with how they look. There really isn't a wrong or right way to do this. Okay, we have this on so far with our ribbon, and I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just around the outer edge. Now this I did not get from Dollar Tree. I bought it at Walmart. It was a sign, and it was $2.98, and I just cut the bottom off, and I'm going to secure it down in here because I think this is really going to make this really, really cute. So, let me see how I want to put this in here, which way. I think I want him kind of crooked. Kind of like him like that. So what I'm going to do is bend him over, and I did this for my fall project as well, my fall wreath. And all you have to do is just put this down and put a good deal of glue in that and just push it down and hold it till it dries. And then we're going to do this at the top, and we're going to do this at the bottom. And then we're going to secure this to our wire frame, and he won't go anywhere. And it doesn't really matter what tie you use, because it's not going to be seen. And I just want to make sure I have a lot of glue on that, because I want it to stay. And as soon as that dries, I'll be back and we'll put it on, and we're almost finished. Okay, it's nice and dry, and all I'm going to do is put this down in here and loop this around this metal in the back and pull him really taut and just twist it. It's a really easy way to put your little signs and things on. But it's so simple, you just... Okay, and then you have him attached. I think he's so cute. Okay, but we're not through yet. I think he adds a lot to this wreath. You could quit right there if you wanted, but I don't want to. Okay, what we're going to do, we're also going to take and wrap these chenille stems around a pencil, because I don't want it to look like I just... With my Valentine one, I didn't care for it to just be however, but with this one, I want it to be kind of curled. And I don't know if I'm going to leave them tightly curled or loosely curled. I haven't decided. Might loosen them up just a little bit. And then after we do this, we're going to add some Easter eggs to it, and then I think we will be done. I'm going to do a different type of wreath for spring, I've decided. And I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to get away from the mesh for a while. So you can see that already looks better just curling those. And like I said, you can always make them looser or tighter or move them around and put them wherever you want them. Okay, now what we're going to do is take these Easter eggs. I think they're just so pretty. And I want to put some of these in here in the wreath and just sort of tuck them in there. I have 4, so I'm just going to put them where I think I'd like them. He is all happy. He is ready for Easter. Okay, I think I'm finished with him. I think he is so cute. I really do think he's cute. And I'll probably go ahead and glue these eggs in because they don't seem to want to stay any other way. So I think I will definitely go ahead and glue them in, and then I'll be back and show you where I put him. Okay guys, I thought I would hang it for now right here beside in my dining room. I don't really have any spring or Easter hangers for wreaths, so I just put it right here. I think it is absolutely so adorable, so festive and happy. Oh, with his little happy Easter sign and his Easter eggs. And it just really turned out pretty. I'm very happy with how it turned out. And it's so easy to make one of these ruffled wreaths. It really is. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.